Earlier this year I needed to make some emergency repairs to my chimney, and while secured on the roof it made perfect sense to replace any broken tiles I found. I have a small pile of spare tiles for such eventualities. The tiles are terracotta which just hook over the tile battens, with the weight of the tiles above keeping enough pressure to keep the tiles in place. The easiest way to replace these is to get two small wedges and gently insert them into the gap between the two tiles adjacent to the broken one. This removes the weight on the remaining part of the broken tile and allows you to lift it off the tile batten. The broken part of the tile can then be slid out from underneath the remaining tiles. To insert the new tile, just repeat the process in reverse. Slide the new tile in and hook it over the tile batten and then remove the two wedges. I hope you found this short video useful. If so, don't forget to click the like button and maybe consider subscribing.